If you're looking for a fun twist on your game day eats, then you've got to give these sushi nachos a try. Imagine the perfect fusion on crispy wonton chips topped with layers of luscious and creamy savory toppings, with just enough spice to keep you reaching for more. These sushi nachos never fail to impress. This is comfort food reinvented. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's make the sushi rice. Start first with 2 cups of uncooked white rice. Rinse that for 5 minutes in cold water. Then bring the rinsed rice and 2 cups of water, salt to taste, and a little oil to a boil. Once that rice comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover. And let that cook for 12 minutes without removing that lid. After 12 minutes, remove that rice from the heat, but leave that lid on. It'll continue to steam for the next 10 minutes. We'll remove that lid after 10 minutes and let it cool. And while that rice is cooking, let's make some Japanese mayo. It's like that Kewpie mayo you see in the grocery stores. You'll need 1 cup of regular mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, or a sweet chili sauce if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice, and some salt to taste if you like. And now just give that a good stir. And we'll set that aside for now. Next, you'll need some crab meat. I picked up this pack of imitation crab, and this is a 16-ounce package. You'll need to shred that, and I'm using a food processor for that, but you can do it by hand. I just find that this is a little easier. Just place all the crab right in your food processor, along with that spicy mayo. Now just give it a quick couple pulses. We don't want to completely shred that crab. Give it a little stir and chop that crab up a little. And then pulse just a few more times. Transfer that all to a bowl. And there are many different types of sushi. Today we're doing the California roll. Give that a good stir. You want that spicy mayo coating all of that crab. Chop up any larger chunks you may come across. It's okay to leave some chunks bigger. Using a fork can help shred up some of those bigger chunks. To flavor the rice, you'll need a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. If you don't have that, a 1/4 cup of regular white vinegar will work. 1/4 cup granulated sugar, and salt to taste. Give that a stir and cook on medium to low heat just until the sugar is dissolved. Next, we'll slice our vegetables, and I've got this English cucumber here. I find them to be a bit sweeter than regular cucumbers. I'm going to peel off just half of the peel. The peel on these cucumbers is a lot thinner and doesn't have any of that bitter taste that some of the regular cucumbers have. And now just slice those into small cubes. Place those in a bowl and set them aside. Next, slice up a few green onions. Now these are totally optional, but we sure like them on ours. Turn your cooking oil on medium to high heat. Temperature should be 350 degrees. Next, you'll need some egg roll wraps or some wonton skins. They might actually be the same thing. Using 4 or 5 at a time, cut diagonally corner to corner. And then flip those over and cut from the corner to the center. And one more time. Here's your nacho chips. Get a paper towel lined dish ready. One by one, drop those wontons in. Keep a close eye on these. They will cook up quickly in just a minute. Last but certainly not least, slice up some avocado just like you did the cucumbers. Place those in a bowl. Pour your vinegar mixture into your rice. Mix that up well and break up any chunks that may be in the rice. We've got rice, our wonton chips, cucumber, crab mixture, sliced onion, sliced avocado, and soy sauce. In this little container, I've got some jalapeno, some ginger, and some wasabi. And now for the fun part. And now you can add any extras you like, such as drizzle some sriracha over the top, hot mustard, spicy mayo, and even some sesame seeds. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe. Have any questions or suggestions? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.